we call baby egg. Wow, a lot of egg. I will take this egg to cook everyone. I'm so lucky to meet it. Take it to cook everyone. Wow. We cook its egg first and then we take it to grill everyone. But now we cook first. So now our egg is already cooked. Then we take it to grill on the fire. Wow everyone, so now our egg is already cooked, but we do not eat it yet. We take it to grill again. But look at our ingredient that we will take it to cook with this egg, mean lemon, chili sauce and also some ingredient of it. So let's to cook with me everyone. So now we start to fry the egg. We fry it like this everyone. Then we put chili sauce on it like this. This is chili sauce everyone. Wow everyone, here is our egg. So now we start to put chili on it. Put like this to be more delicious. It's really hot on fire. We put lemon on it, everyone. Then we add pepper. Add pepper, salt, everyone. Wow, it looks like so yummy. So some of it are already cooked. We take it to put like this. Wow. It looks like so yummy. It tastes really good everyone, but we do not know yet about. Sorry, it smells really good, but we do not know yet about its taste. Wow. This is the last egg, everyone. Wow. It smells really good, everyone. So now our egg is already cooked, so we can eat it. Let's eat and let's taste with me, everyone. So now we add vegetable on it. Then lemon, also pepper salt. Then it's the time to eat, everyone. Wow! It's really good taste. It's the best taste, everyone. It's so yummy. We can eat with vegetable like this. Mm. 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 The best taste, everyone. We eat it with green vegetable like this to be more beautiful of ourselves. Wow, it's so yummy, yummy and yummy. Pepper salt. And then lemon. And also green vegetable. The best everyone. It is so spicy, everyone, because of have a lot of chili salt on it. Wow, I'm so good at eating, everyone. I eat nearly at all. I'm so good at eating, everyone. So now I eat at all, everyone. It is so yummy food, yummy. You can learn by follow my video from the start until the end of my video. It is a simple ingredients but get a yummy food like this to eat. The best, everyone. So now I'm enough of my eating and add all the food too. So I think it is the time to say goodbye. But before I say goodbye, I want to ask you to support me by subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about yummy food like this and to see more good recipe and also a good landscape like this. And one more thing, the lifestyle in countryside, especially how to find food at field and also how to find food in the forest for cook and for eat, everyone. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for support me, for subscribe my channel and for watch my video too. Thank you, everyone. Say goodbye.